We were recently on show site setting up our new $15,000 4K PTZ camera for Panasonic, but we were not getting a signal out of it into our Ross Carbonite Ultra switcher. The Ross Carbonite Ultra was set to UHD mode, so we started our troubleshooting process by enabling an input scaler in the Ross switcher. However, we had the camera plugged in directly to the switcher and didn't know which format to select on the scaler. So we decided to patch the camera into the Blackmagic 80x80 12G SDI router, which allows us to view the format of the camera was sending out on the front panel of the router and noticed it was set to 1080p. Aha! Now we double checked which SDI output we were plugged into on the camera, since it has a 12G SDI and a 3G SDI output connector, so we must have been plugged into the wrong connector into the 3G SDI output port. To our surprise, we were already plugged into the 12G SDI output, and we believed the camera format was set to 2160p or UHD. So we should be getting a 4K UHD signal. Well, maybe we forgot to set the camera to UHD, so we double-checked the format in the camera's configuration menu. When we discovered the camera was already set to UHD, we decided to do some poking around in the menu of the camera and stumbled across, within the output menu, that the 12G SDI output was set to 1080p. So the camera must have an internal scaler allowing you to do internal format conversion on the 12G SDI output. So we changed to UHD on that connector and problem solved. So after all that troubleshooting, the fix was changing the 12G SDI connector format to the correct output format we were looking for, and voila, the signal worked. Hey, if you guys have seen similar issues in the field, let us know in the comments. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with your friends.